All right, here we go. Another Tia's Kitchen. What do we have this morning?
Okay, so we went to breakfast yesterday and we had leftover, I guess, what did you call this? The empty skillet or something like that?
Yeah.
From the restaurant.
Right.
So instead of tossing it and everything, let's repurpose it. So I sprayed the pan with, cooking spray or whatever. And then I will add each one of these with some of the leftover things that we had.
Yeah. And in that, it's like pork and bacon and...
Pork, bacon, potatoes.
Yeah.
If you're a pork eater, but I'm not, but my husband is, so he loves it. So they put sausage, there's cheese, all inside of these, what do you call it, the empty skillets at the restaurant.
Yeah.
And then so I put some of that in there, and then this is a few eggs, maybe 6 or 7 or something like that.
Okay.
I didn't really count. I just kind of mix and go, and I just pour and get them all nice and coated with a little bit of the egg. So I'm gonna usually make about 12 of these. So all you have to do is pop them inside of the microwave and eat.
Okay.
And then once they're in there, I take a little bit of cheese. That's our favorite. Sprinkle on top. And that's it.
All right.
You can pause it.
All right, this is how they look before they go in the oven, huh?
Yes.
All right. Pop these bad boys in the oven.
On 325.
325?
Yes.
And we'll see what happens. All right. All right. They come out of there just as smooth.
Yes. I like the silicone when you bake with it.
Easier to pull them out.
Easier to pull them out.
All right. Well, I will just wait until my plate comes. Nice. All right. Time for breakfast. Got my coffee, my grapes, and my quiche. Time to eat. Amazing. See you next time.